Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can use voice typing in your Windows 10 or 11. So first, go ahead and open any application like Notepad or a web browser as well. I'm going to use my Notepad. Click within the text field to place your cursor and launch your voice typing. Press Windows key plus H on your keyboard. But in the case if it's not turned on, you need to go ahead, click on settings, and make sure that the online speech recognition is turned on. After that, you can open any application, then click Windows plus Edge icon. And if you click on this microphone icon, your voice typing feature will be activated. Click on the microphone icon in the top to begin the voice typing. In some cases, it may start automatically as well. And as you speak, your words will appear as text in real time within the text field. And after you're done, click on the same microphone icon in the top to stop the recording, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.